Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dance Alright, I'm going one more time, crank up. You hear that? Sizzla Kalonji, you see me? Dada! Talk to them, Dada. Sizzla Kalonji. Alright? Mad woman, you hear that? DJB is representing. Crank up. Kalonji Sizzla, Kalonji Sizzla. Dada! 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 Humbucklad! Dada now laugh for the road, you hear that? So deal with that stone in square, mad or mad. Forward again, Dada, show them. Crank up. See it again, people. Look, look, look. Dada! 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 Yeah man, that's what Kalonji deal with. A mad thing. I nice square over there now. Yeah, we live in a mad thing. You know the thing going now, mad graphing. You hear that? Big up everybody in the group, you know. Yeah man. Constant Spring chat group, you know the thing. Go big up on yourself. Mad graph. Dada! Dada! Graph no normal, yeah.
Now, before me say anything else, DJBs, big up yourself, real selector, real artist. You see me I say, yeah, that youth have been doing anything over the years. You see me, yeah. And Sizzla Kalonji, big up yourself too. And I want to make sure I tell the youth them this. Uno don't try this at home. Because I see a lot of youth that try to follow what Sizzla do and them a chip up and mash up all the bike on themselves. Uno listen to me. Uno don't try this at home. Uno not try it. It's not easy as how you see Sizzla make it look. The bike is not as... Sizzla make the bike look like a piece of paper. Like it come like a lift it up. You see me? And youths see that and feel like it easy. Well, me now go say yo, uno for do it because me don't want to see nobody get hurt. So my warning to you, you know, if you're seeing this video, don't try it at home. Alright? So big up to DJBs, big up to the fans and big up everybody, alright? Big up the whole of Stony Square, big up everybody down in Jamaica. You see me I say, but you don't know the thing set already, alright? And as always, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. You know, leave a comment, let me know what you think. My name is Skilla and this way you just say the dancer Skilla ENT. On a big up on yourself, your seat.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dance Skilla!
Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.